Well, hello. I'm Paul Foster from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes and the host of The Art of Renovation. So we're here at Vignettes Brick and Mortar, which is a great design series that showcases a variety of designers, contractors, makers, and artists. And they get together and they put together these wonderful spaces. This year it happens to be a retail space where you can come in and actually do some shopping and buy some really cool products. Each of these spaces is designed by a different team, so they all have their own feel. And it was great to be a part of this as a contractor. We helped out with all of the spaces, and there's a bunch of different contributors here, and it's a great team here, kind of like a family. Everyone gets together and it builds up towards the gala, and it's a great source of inspiration for all of us. But we will interview a few different designers from each of the spaces, and they'll talk about their vision for each space. They showcase a variety of talents from these different makers and artists and contractors and everybody. And there's a variety of material that ranges from upcycled or recycled products to custom made to handmade. Really, really fascinating, great source of inspiration. So stay tuned, check it, tune into our other videos that talk a bit about each space. Surely they'll inspire you, and it's a lot of fun for us. Thanks for watching.